What's good, what's
transparency. Yeah, they're always showing what they're doing. They're showing the part that who's actually.
Good day, this is Antonio M. Garcia, the owner of Ford Explorer 2014. I have a good experience with this company, brokers. The following few days, yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, I had a problem with the alternator due to the flood that I experienced in Iloilo. Then, unfortunately, I could not find any replacement for the pulley of the alternator, which caused the bearing to damage. Then I could not find a good shop and technicians to fix this problem. So I was referred here by a technician who failed to fix the problem of this car. So once I get here yesterday, they assist me and they took care of this car, and they scanned and did some proper procedure professionally, and they found out the cause of the problem. And immediately I got an appointment this morning to fix those problems, including transmission change oil. So this time it's ready for release, and I'm very much happy and satisfied with the service given to me by this company. This is highly recommendable for any car owners if they have this kind of experience, especially with this kind of car that I have, which is very rare, of course. It's an American car. It needs professional services, technicians, and management, of course. So I'm very thankful to brokers for this opportunity of serving my car, and now I can use my car normally going back to Manila.
Pag na-explain gid nila kung anong procedure, kung makita mo gid ang pag-ubra sa salakyan. Showing me what they're doing, telling me what's wrong, what's good, what's
Transparency. Yeah, they're always showing what they're doing. They're showing the part that who's actually bought for the car, so we know that something is being done to it, and something that we actually bought is put into the car.
Wow!